Hi everyone, here we'll try to construct a simple and smart security alert system using Packet Tracer. For that, click on Cisco Packet Tracer and log in as usual. Here is the workspace. First we'll choose the components needed to construct the smart security system or the theft alert system. So in network devices, click on wireless devices and choose home gateway first, which will help you to connect all the IoT devices. Next, click on end devices. You can choose the smartphone, which will help you to access all the IoT components connected in the application. Now we'll choose the other components needed to construct the theft alarm system. We'll choose a door, then we'll choose a motion detector, a web camera, then an alarming system, that is a siren. To give a better view to the security system, we'll create a home. So for that, click draw rectangle and create a home. Then click escape. We'll move all the components this side. Now we'll arrange the components. At the entrance we'll fix the door. At the outside we'll fix the motion detector to find out whether anyone comes. Inside the home we'll set the siren. We'll have the webcam. You can also name this as home. Or as I already told you, you can give your register number or the name of the experiment or whatever it might be. Move the smartphone inside the home in order to access. As we know, it's better to choose the home gateway first and fix the password. Click on LAN, see the address, click on wireless, choose this home gateway and keep. Then in this authentication, click on passphrase and give the password. I give it as get connect. Or you can give any password which should be minimum of 8 characters. Now we'll connect all the IoT components to the home gateway. First is the motion detector. Click on it, have a look on specifications and get into the configuration. Give the display name as motion detector. Then click on home gateway in IoT server. Then click advanced, click IO configuration, check whether it is connected to wireless 1W. Then click on configuration, click wireless. Here set the password. We have given it as get connect. Fix it and close it. Now the motion detector will get connected to the home gateway. Next, click on the next component. Have a look on the specifications. Then click on configuration. This is door. Then click home gateway. Click advanced. Click IO configuration. Check it is connected to wireless. Click on configuration. In that click wireless. Set the password as get connect. Then you can close it. Now the door will get connected to the home gateway. Similarly, connect all the other components in the system to the home gateway by setting the password which we have set in home gateway. Click siren. Next is webcam. Now we'll connect the smartphone to the home gateway. Click smartphone, click configuration, click wireless, and in the SSID put home gateway. Then click on this passphrase and set the password which we have set in home gateway. Get connect. Close it. Now the smartphone is also connected to home gateway. Click on smartphone and click desktop. Now click on web browser. Give the URL 192.168.25.1. Click go. Now give the username and password admin. Click submit. Now you can see all the components connected in the system that gets displayed in the smartphone. Now you can access all the components through your smartphone. Now let's plan the scenario. When someone comes in front of the door and knocks the door, they should be monitored through the motion detector and an alarming sound should be given to the people inside the room, and the view in front of the door should be shown in the web camera. By seeing the web camera, the person inside the home can either open the door or close the door. That is how we are going to plan this security system. We can set this either using conditions, or you can also use editor to write the codes according to your wish. We'll preferably use conditions as usual. So click on conditions and click add here. You can give any name. We give it as person present. So when someone is present at the doorstep, then motion detector on is true. Then the web camera on is true. That's the first action. The next action is alarming sound on is true. We can give OK. The next condition, no person. When there is no person at the doorstep, then motion detector on is false. When there is no one in front of the motion detector, then the web camera on is false. The web camera goes off, and the another action is there is no alarming sound. Alarm on is false. Click OK. Now we can see here that we have set two conditions. When someone is present at the doorstep, the motion detector goes on and we can view that person in the web camera and the alarm gets on. The other condition is when there is no one at the doorstep, the motion detector is off, so the web camera is also off and there is no alarming sound. After hearing this alarming sound and verifying the person in the web camera, we can either close the door or we can open the door. Now we have set the door in lock condition. Now we'll simulate the experiment. Now in order to enable the motion detector, it is very simple. Just click Alt on your keyboard and mouse over the component. Just mouse over the motion detector. Now the motion detector is on. Then the siren goes on. The person inside the home looks into his smartphone. He can have a look on the web camera, that is someone is present. He'll look into the person and see whether he can open the door or close the door. Whether the person can be let in or not, then we go and unlock the door. We can click on this and unlock the door. When there is no one present in front of the motion detector, that is when there is no one at the doorstep, there is no siren, no alarming sound and the web camera is also off. When someone is present at the doorstep, the siren will be on. We can look at the smartphone who is present through the web camera and we can either close the door or open the door by using this lock and unlock. If there is no one present at the doorstep, the motion detector is off, the siren is off, the web camera is off. This is how a simple and smart security alert system or a theft alert system is designed using Packet Tracer. You can add more components here to make it more complex according to your creativity. It is up to you to do it. Try this circuit and let me know how it works. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video to be useful, kindly subscribe it and share it with your friends. To get immediately notified whenever I upload a video, click on the bell icon. Thank you once again.